Yeah, I gotta go fast, guys. My mom's getting angry at me.
I'm not angry. It's just the oven's on. It's getting hot in here.
I'm going quick as fast as I possibly can. No, I'm not even gonna shape it. I'm just gonna throw it in there.
Well, shape it so they all look the same.
Just gonna grab one, turn it into a circle, and just throw it in on there. I'm not even gonna use that little skewer thing. I don't know what it's called.
Well, make
What's
it
it
so
called?
they're all the same size, though, otherwise they won't cook right.
I'll make them all the same size so they cook right. I wanted to make a big juicy one. I can just make one big giant meatball like this big. Yeah, I'm going fast. Already. That was actually faster since I actually tried. Okay, end the video now. I'm only a minute in. And I already got one single layer.
Yo, boy, stop taking a wire from downstairs. That's my wire. William, reset the video.
Oh,
Okay.
You don't want person's yelling in it.
you know I can blur it. What?
That's fine. Let's get it in the oven. How are we doing on the meat? How much more is in there?
No. Sorry guys, I'm talking to my mom, not the camera. If she wants to say hi again, she can. Get out of here. Sorry, that was my brother. I'm gonna have to blur him out. Editor, blur that out.
Yeah, leave it in. He could be the blooper.
What?
There's minus mini one. Can I make a mini patty?
It's gonna get burned, so
Wait, not on the one there. I'll like put it.
no, just put it.
We can make a patty.
Is that everything?
See you.